We have some magpie activity out here. Matthias alerted me to it. Matthias is like, I can keep an eye on these birds, man. I'm actually above them. Now, where do they all go? There's one over there. Matthias definitely has his eyes peeled. He's like, alright, what is all this shit? The hell? Oh, it's okay, Matthias. Don't be worried about all that, buddy. It's okay. Yep, I think the birds. Let me explain this to you, Matthias. I think some of these birds are looking for shelter and maybe looking for materials to build nests, because maybe they're going to stick it out here. They're not going to move south for the winter. You know what I mean, Matthias? So they're just trying to build some makeshift houses to weather the storms. Yeah. I mean, at least that's my guess. What's your guess? What do you think? Hmm? What do you think, buddy boy? Right? You're such a sweetie. Yes, you are. Okay. See the foothills through there. Huh.